Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay. Hope you are doing good. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 11 how to use reactive form part 4. So friends, in part 1, 2 and 3, I have shown you how to add, how to validate and how to get reactive form values. So friends, in this video, I will show you how to reset reactive form fields. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Angular 11 updates. So friends, here we go. So friends, on my screen you can see Angular with reactive form working fine. Here I'm going to press submit button. Validation came. Now I'm going to fill the form fields. See friends, now I will submit it. Wow, you had done with reactive form part 1. Oops. So friends, have you seen fields reset but validation again came. So I will do this and then it will work fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside the video description. So please get the code. Submit, submit, done, and see friends, Angular 11 reactive form preset field are working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And friends, if you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please comment on this video. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.